going on this theme of artificial intelligence. Let's say you wanted to create a presentation. Maybe you got an opportunity to speak in front of a group of attorneys, a new law firm, any presentation that uses like a PowerPoint, or in Apple's case, it's called Keynote. Any type of presentation with slides. Let me show you this. So I know we talked about OpenAI and how you can create social media posts, blogs, email marketing using OpenAI. So I'm going to share my screen here and talk to you about this website called Tome. Okay, tome.app. All right. So with Tome, this is where you can create a spreadsheet. I'm sorry, not a spreadsheet. You can create a presentation in literally 5 minutes. So you'll go here to sign in. Once you sign in, it'll take you here. And let's create a new Tome. Okay, create. All right. So here it says create a presentation about. Create a presentation as a well-trained chiropractor to an audience, personal injury attorneys, that my office is the best choice for patients who have been involved in a motor vehicle accident. We offer chiropractic adjustments, physiotherapy. By the way, there's something called prompt engineering. If I just told this to create a presentation for a chiropractor to attorneys about getting personal injury patients, it'll do it. But if you're a little more specific in your prompt engineering, I'm giving it a prompt and I'm engineering it with a little more detail, it'll help make the presentation even better. We offer chiropractic adjustments, physiotherapy, spinal decompression, and we are trained to produce value drivers for your client's case. All right, so presentation mode, I'm going to say presentation. Images, I'm going to do, let's see here, I don't know, cyberpunk. I don't know that cyberpunk is appropriate. Let's do neo-impressionist. Okay, I'm going to hit enter. And this website, Tome, is building out a presentation for attorneys with photos, and this is going to be faster than 5 minutes. I don't know if you've ever created a presentation before. It takes some time. It takes some thinking. It takes work. All right, boom. So here's the first slide. Maximize your client success with chiropractic care. Now, of course, you can go in here and edit it. Okay, slide 2. It gives you a little table of contents about what we're going to cover. And there it is with neo-impressionist art. It talks about chiropractic adjustments, physiotherapy, You can add your specific physiotherapy. Again, all this is editable. You can edit this. Spinal decompression talks about that. What was this one? Value drivers. We're trained to produce value drivers for your client's case. We understand the importance of providing personalized care, and we are committed to providing the highest quality care to our patients. You can edit this and talk about those value drivers to maximize the case. Like if this isn't giving enough, you can still edit it. But here you go. I just created a slide presentation with 8 slides. You can hit this plus button. You can add your own commitment to quality care. You can add your own slide right here. You can totally change this. I haven't really tried to change a photo yet. Oh, DALL-E setting. So DALL-E is art. A captivating painting of a chiropractor and a patient discussing treatment. Let's generate another one. I guess you could edit that. This is calming green background, and look at all these different choices. And we'll just change the picture there. Boom. Unbelievable. Right. So that's Tome, TOME.app. It's free. I think they give you 500 credits. I mean, every page might be a credit. But if this is something that you do, if you do CE credits for attorneys or chiropractic assistants, and you want to create a new presentation, tome.app is where you can literally do this in 5 minutes. I started this at 6:08. I have a full presentation. During my Zoom call, I could show, now this is just kind of basic. I can make it a little more granular, but you get the idea of how quickly and efficiently you can create a presentation similar to a PowerPoint or Keynote, if you're a Mac user, in a matter of minutes. Now, this is pretty basic. I've been playing with this, but again, I'm sharing you this incredible technology that's free right now to increase your productivity so that you can move on to doing other things that generate revenue for your practice, like marketing, or just taking care of your patients, or doing paperwork, things that have to get done. But creating a big presentation may be a daunting task, causing stress, anxiety, those things that we go through as an entrepreneur. Knowing that you have to do this, you schedule out 3 or 4 hours in the day to do this. I literally just did this in 5 minutes, and I wanted to share that with you. Okay. Really incredible technology. Again, I'm showing this to you so that you have exposure to what's out there in terms of artificial intelligence that you can use for free to speed up your productivity, speed up your marketing. So that's the one that I showed today. Tome, to create presentations in literally a matter of minutes. Incredible technology.